Ladies and gentlemen, hello, gardening and green space maintenance enthusiasts. I am speaking to you today. I present to you a product that will revolutionize the way you take care of your garden. The Fuxtec FX-MS162 Brush Cutter. A true gem of efficiency and versatility. Stay tuned because at the end of this presentation, you will discover how to get your hands on this product at the best price, learn more about its impressive features, and read the thousands of customer reviews that testify to its excellence. But is this product really made for you? Know that the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter is the ideal choice for all outdoor maintenance enthusiasts. From amateur gardeners to seasoned professionals. If you are looking for a versatile and high-performance tool that will help you tackle weeds, trim your shrubs with precision, and maintain your green spaces without excessive effort, then the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter is made for you. Whether you have a small city garden or a large area to maintain, this thermal brush cutter will meet your needs with ease. Don't let outdoor maintenance tasks overwhelm you. Instead, enjoy the power, versatility, and comfort offered by the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter. But let me introduce it to you in more detail and show you its incredible features. Start by imagining: clear your garden of stubborn weeds, trim shrubs with precision, and maintain your green spaces with astonishing ease. This is exactly what the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter offers, with its 3.5 HP engine of 62 cc running on a gas-oil mixture in a ratio of 1:40. This machine is equipped to tackle all maintenance tasks. In fact, this version stands out due to its more powerful engine compared to the previous model and relative to other products on the market. What makes the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter even more extraordinary is its ability to transform into a multifunctional tool thanks to its smart design. It can be combined with a range of Fuxtec accessories such as pruners, loppers, and much more. More than just a simple thermal brush cutter, it is a true all-in-one maintenance kit that adapts to all your needs. Know that it is now possible for you to have the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter at home. To do this, simply click on the link in the description to learn all about its features in more detail, read the thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews, and order it right now. But let me continue to present its exceptional features. When you take hold of the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter, you will immediately feel its perfectly designed ergonomics. The ergonomic double handle provides a comfortable and precise grip, allowing you to manage the throttle with ease for clean and accurate cuts. Additionally, the included comfort harness spares your back and makes transporting the device much more pleasant. You are certainly tired of struggling with starting your tool. Don't worry, the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter is equipped with the Easy Starter system. No more intense efforts to pull the starting cable. A simple, slow and continuous movement, and the machine starts in the blink of an eye, saving you time and energy. The Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter also stands out for its ultimate versatility. Whether you need a 3-tooth blade for tall grass or a dual-line cutting head for precise finishes, everything is included in the delivery contents. You have the choice between a trimmer or a thermal brush cutter depending on your specific needs. Let us now summarize the advantages and disadvantages of the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter. Advantages: exceptional versatility. One of the main strengths of the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter is its exceptional versatility. Thanks to its ingenious design, it can be combined with a range of Fuxtec accessories, transforming your tool into a true all-in-one maintenance kit. No need to invest in several separate machines. Save money with the Fuxtec thermal brush cutter that adapts to all your needs. Ergonomics and comfort. When you hold the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter in your hands, you will immediately feel its well-thought-out ergonomics. Your sessions of using the thermal brush cutter will be comfortable, and you won't have to worry about back problems. Easy starting. The Easy Starter system is a real asset of the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter. No more need to pull hard on the starting cable. A simple and easy movement is enough to allow the machine to start. This feature significantly reduces the effort required to start the tool, saving you time and a lot of energy. Included accessories: the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter comes with everything you need to get started immediately. A 3-tooth blade, double wire cutting head, straps, shields, handles, mixing containers, toolkits. Everything is included in the delivery contents. You don't have to worry about making additional purchases to start working. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Noise level. Like most motorized tools, the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter generates certain noise levels when it is in operation. Although measures have been taken to minimize noise, it is recommended to wear hearing protection during prolonged use. Required maintenance. Like any motorized equipment, the thermal brush cutter requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. It is important to follow the instructions in the user manual regarding the maintenance of the 3.5 HP engine, the air filter, and other components to ensure the durability of the tool. In summary, the Fuxtec FX-MS162 thermal brush cutter offers a multitude of advantages that make it an essential tool for maintaining your outdoor spaces. Click on the link in the description to learn more, discover the thousands of satisfied customer reviews, and find out how it can concretely enhance your gardening experience by making it efficient, simple, and effortless. See you soon.